Hello, here's a quick tip about things in the Illustrator interface. Now, when you see it, you might not need this thing down there, which always prompts you to enter a prompt. And it changes when you have different things activated, like this. So you might not need it, and then you can turn it off. You can either go in here and hide the bar, or you can go in here to Window and just hide it here. The next thing has just turned up in a very recent version, which is this bar down here. And again, when you have a different tool, then it changes to different option in there. And just to tell you where it's coming from, so when you take a look at other apps such as Inkscape here, then you see they have that as well. And there might be more apps that have this kind of thing. And it can be helpful for you if you do not use Illustrator regularly. But if you do and do not need it, again, go to Window and turn off the help bar. And then there is something, when you roll over the tools, then you get this kind of huge video, and if you do not want that, then just go to the Illustrator settings into General and turn off the rich tooltips. And then you have set it up just according to your needs.